Welcome to our channel. How to fix my MyWiFiExt not working, Netgear Extender Setup Guide 2025. Turn off the power and start fresh. Unplug the extender. Pull it out of the wall, wait like 30 seconds, then plug it back in. While it's powering back up, grab your router and give that a restart too. Wait until both lights, router plus extender, are solid again. Then try connecting to MyWiFiExt.net or 192.168.1.250 in your browser. Check the connection between extender and router most of the time. MyWiFiExt not working really means the extender isn't actually linked to your main Wi-Fi. On the extender, check the LED. If it's red or blinking amber, it's out of range or not synced. Hit the WPS button on your router. Then hit WPS on the extender. Reset it and start from scratch. Grab a paperclip or pin, hold the reset button on the extender for 10 seconds until the lights blink. Then, connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi, Netgear_Ext, and open a browser. Type MyWiFiExt.net again. Now you'll get the setup wizard. Netgear Extender Setup. Plug the thing in. Find an outlet halfway between your router and the dead zone. Don't stick it in a corner or behind the TV. Connect to the extender's network. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. You'll see something like Netgear_Ext pop up. Connect to that. No password needed yet. Open up a browser. Go to MyWiFiExt.net or just type 192.168.1.250 into the address bar. If it gives you a warning or doesn't load, switch browsers or use another device. Chrome usually works fine. Create a login. It'll ask you to set a username and password. This is just for the extender, not your Wi-Fi. Don't overthink it. Just make sure you remember it. You'll need it if you ever have to tweak settings later. Pick your home Wi-Fi. The extender scans for nearby networks. Select your main Wi-Fi, the one from your router. Enter your Wi-Fi password, yes, exactly as it is, case sensitive and all that. Choose the extended network name. You can keep the same name as your main Wi-Fi, so your device's auto switch, or give it a different one, like home Wi-Fi_Ext. Personally, I rename it so I know which one's which, but up to you. Let it connect and reboot. It'll take a minute or two. Lights blink, it reconnects, maybe reboots. Don't unplug it yet. When it says connected or the LED turns solid green, you're good. Thank you for watching.